Welcome, here I've got Motorola Razr 5G and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera grid lines at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button here to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's go to the right corner to this button. By tapping on this we can open the advanced camera settings. Now let's slide a little bit down to the capture settings, and here we have the assistive grid option. So these are the grid lines at this device. By using this button we can easily turn them on and turn them off as we need, like that. For now let me keep this turned on. Let's go back to the camera to see them, and as you can see it shows us these lines. This is useful when we want to, for example, use the rule of third in photography or making experiments with composition. Also remember that these lines are not visible at the real picture, so when I take a photo and when I go here from the right to this button to the gallery, we can't see them at the picture, so they are only to help us taking better photos. And of course when you don't need this you can easily go back to the settings in the right corner, slide again to the capture settings and pick this button once again. So for now this is turned off. In the camera preview we can see that the grid lines have gone. And that's all. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.